We are in the car with the clutch engaged, and it sounds pretty normal. Revving sounds fine. We're in neutral, and when I let go of the clutch, you hear a banging, like a banging. Alright, so let's take it for a test drive. And here's where it gets pretty hairy. So the higher the RPMs go, the more the banging. So even for that second when I push in the clutch, it stops and comes back. Low RPMs, low banging. Now it's not as bad when you're coasting, even when you're in gear. Clutch in, it's quiet. Clutch out, and neutral, banging. You can